Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Albie with Albie Gonzalez Fitness. Recently, I've been getting a lot of emails about people asking me about biceps and triceps. So what I decided on doing today is I decided on recording an arm day. And the main focus of this day was full stretch and contraction of the muscle. So a lot of the exercises that I did today consist of just stretching it and contraction. Because to me, that is what I feel is going to get you that look that you're looking for, where you get the nice muscle definition and separation. So without further ado, guys, let's check it out.
Attention everyone, this is an evacuation off of the wall. No single file lines and get to the floor. First of all, do you deserve the roar like a herbivore? The nerve for y'all to be on the board. I'm the cat you never heard before. Word to Raheem, I ain't feeling this crap. Rather hit some radio tracks that made me wanna rap. I ain't here to bring real hip-hop back, but it just so happens that I got that. Battling over deep battery, boombox rap. Ladies and gents, b-boys and girls, to all my hip-hop people all across the world. Rock your b-boy body, everybody in your party, rock your b-boy body. Puerto Rican spitting fat, no pun intended. You crying like it's onion scented, boy oh boy. Don't mess around with soy. Honestly, rather have me on your team. On the beat is born to get down like the internet. Breaking grounds with the sound that you ain't into yet. I'm in the lounge with the lyricists. We just kicking it. Ladies and gents, b-boys and girls, to all my hip-hop people all across the world. Rock your b-boy body, everybody in your party, rock your b-boy body. Come on, ladies and gents, b-boys and girls, to all my hip-hop people all across the world. Now get yourself up off the ball. You better get yourself up off the ball and get down. Back to the matter at hand. Overheard you chat about who the baddest in the land. From Africa to Canada, America, Iran, to Panama and Japan, and the answer is am. I'm not those cats that be getting advances, but my flow has the potential to cash in. Your flow don't though. You can't keep up with the records that am spin like backs and dancing. Ladies and gents, b-boys and girls, to all my hip-hop people all across the world. Rock your b-boy body, everybody in your party, rock your b-boy body. Come on, I get down and I do's my thing. Rock mics before ice and bling bling. Been in prize fights at the time of Ring King. You clowns can't swing, just belong in ringling. Call me crazy legs, I make a major moves. Got a receipt for each time that I pay my dues. I should get in the war for these beats I use. Now honey, get up on the floor, let me see your moves. I'm in the house like the evening news. We use squeeze and booze, move your feet or proceed to lose. For the people, I'm the expert. And the sound that you hear the very second that the needle hit the record. Here come Ann with a brand new anthem. I ran through your town with a sound so handsome. Rip MCs at random, better watch your grandson. Hold on to a mic like I want your ransom. Getting open like we cut the ribbon, beat the beat, fuck up the rhythm. See me easily corrupt the system, try to burn me as a victim, but I earn enough permission. You ain't heard me, then just hurry up and turn me up to listen. All in all execs and your roster. If I harness my dark heart, put they artists to rest. Cross on their chest, though I'm far from the best. I'm an on-funk master flex, bomb in the flesh.